This is a bonus video. We're going to do question 10 and 11. Question 10, a solution to a quadratic function is given below, -3 minus 5i. Which statement is true about that given function? There are two things that are helpful to understanding this problem. Number one is the quadratic form, and number two, complex conjugates. We'll get to complex conjugates in just a second. The key from quadratic formula that gives us a hint on how to answer this, even if we knew nothing else about quadratics other than the quadratic formula, we know a plus or minus symbol is a key part of that formula. We're going to add and subtract our final answer. Now, when you have complex numbers involved in your answer, it means you're going to have unlike terms that cannot be combined. So when you have if you have a complex number in your answers will always be conjugates of one another. In other words, they'll be of this format: a plus bi and a minus bi. Another way to write that, of course, would be a plus or minus bi. In this case, they're using the former to write this answer. So -3 minus 5i is this form of the answer. So we need the a plus bi version of that, which would just be -3 plus 5i. Those are complex conjugates of one another. They're identical except for the sign that's in between the real number part and the imaginary number part. And then number 11 is the exact same thing. They give us -5 minus 7i as one answer. Again, that's this form. So we need the form that has the plus sign in between the real number part and the imaginary part. So again, that's going to be the first answer choice here, -5 plus 7i. Notice how the 5 is negative in both of these answers. The only thing that's different is the sign in between the real number part and the imaginary number part.